Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Beebeecraft unboxing for you all. They contacted me again, asked if I wanted to do another unboxing and project shares for them, so I said okay. Now, as you know, they do have a YouTube program. If you guys have at least 400 subscribers, you can sign up for it and they will send you some products to review for them. And this is the items that I chose this time. I went kind of a little different route. I decided, because where a lot of my stuff is still packed up, it's hard to get to some of the things needed to craft. So I wanted to pick some items that might be a little bit easier to deal with. Yes, I have a lot going on right now, so I'm just trying to do something simple. The first thing I got, I'm going to show you guys these two first, and I'm going to open this one just to show you what's inside. That almost flew out. I do have to say though, I absolutely love the packaging that Beebeecraft does. When I got it, this was this is how it came, was just like this, and it was so heavy, and it's heavy because of this item here. Oh, it was, I couldn't believe how heavy it was. But they always wrap their stuff really nice. I had just taken off all of the packaging beforehand, and just to make it easier for filming. But yeah, and I love all the little cases that a lot of their items are in. It's like, it's definitely one of my favorite companies for getting items from because of all of these little cases. You don't have to worry about putting them in something for the most part. Obviously, like these, they didn't come in a case, but yeah, you could get a lot of stuff in that. So I got these, and these are the cabochon settings right here. Look like little, almost look like lockets, but they don't, you know, obviously they don't have the top part, but just little charms that you can use. And then here, these are the tops for them. And what you do is you take a picture and you glue it on there. Now, I am going to have to see if I can find some pictures small enough for this size. I have a lot of cabochons though, so these will get used up pretty quickly, but I think I'm going to try to find some pictures that I can print off that are small enough just to try to play with these a little bit. But so that is that one. We're going to go ahead and put them back in their case. Now, because I wasn't sure about finding pictures to put on these, I did get some cabochons from them as well. So then I could just use these for the settings. And these are the different zodiac signs, and there are quite a few sets in here. Different sets. You can see some of them here. I'm just trying to turn them over. But that is what they look like. And there, like I said, there's different types of sets. So you have the ones where they just have the little symbol with the zodiac sign written down below. Then you have some that have different colors in there. You have that one just keeps slipping. You have the symbols themselves in different colors. So there's, I think, 4 or 5 different sets in there. I don't remember exactly. I went through all of them to see. I just don't remember how many there were. But as you can see, there are a lot in here. So I'm going to definitely have fun with that. And again, you know, they put bubble wrap around it as well. It was great. Okay, so the last items that I got 2 different sets. and I have never seen these before. These are stencils. They're metal. They're metal stencil. I have never seen a metal stencil before. So let's see. I will put that on there. So you've got this one, and the light's going to shine off of it. There's nothing I can do about that. And I got two different sets. One is this set. It's like a Halloween magic set. And I love, oh, sorry, there we go. I'm like bumping my tripod. Had to think of the word. But I love these sets. They are so cute, and I cannot wait to use them. And again, they had bubble wrap around both sets. And this is what made the package so heavy. These are solid. These are really solid. All right, and then this set is like not so much constellation. I mean, you do have like a little bit of constellation, but like moon, what's the word I'm looking for? Astrological, I think, maybe. But yeah, you have all these different ones. I love the moon one. I think that one's my favorite out of this set. But I also love this last one right here. I love this set as well. I like that the sunbeams aren't straight, that they're wavy. I like that about that. I prefer that style. But yeah, that is what I got. Like I said, I have never seen the metal stencils before. So when I saw them, I thought, you know what, I'm going to give them a try. So I am going to try a couple of different techniques with it just to see, or not so much to see, but just to do something different with it. But yeah, so hopefully I can get all of those videos out soon and show you what I came up with to use these products. And we will put them right here. But yeah, I will be going back to the doctor about my finger. I will tell you guys that in another video. But for this video, that is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I will have all of the information down below. I will have the links to the products as well as their website so that you guys can check it out. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.